The customer just bought this house. The pool and equipment was inspected by a home inspector. The inspector noted a couple minor issues, but overall it received a decent report. He called me out to do a pool school. While demonstrating the equipment, I turned the heater on. It appeared to be operating normally. There were no indications that any problems existed with the heater. I removed the front of the cabinet to show the client the internals of the heater, and discuss how to look for corrosion damage and critter infestation. Raypak heaters are notorious for developing severe corrosion due to condensation. It was immediately obvious that this Raypak would be no different. I was surprised that the heater worked at all. You can see where the burner tray bracket had completely corroded and was no longer attached to the heater cabinet. The burner tray had actually moved out a couple inches on the left side. There were areas of the floor of the cabinet that were completely gone. It was open to the ground under the cabinet. This is a fire hazard. You can see where the burners were no longer attached to the assembly. The flame was blowing directly from the gas orifice into the cabinet. This heater is not salvageable and is dangerous. My only option was to disable the heater. The client wanted to continue to use the heater, but I had to explain that I cannot leave this heater functional in any way, due to liability issues. So now, along with the expenses of moving, this client is either going to have to do without a heated hot tub and pool that he paid for, or spend $4,000 to $5,000 for a new gas heater. I highly recommend that if you are buying a house with a pool, contract a pool professional or pool inspector to evaluate the swimming pool and its equipment. I do this kind of thing all the time after a home inspector has been paid to inspect the pool. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.